What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about Truist Bank. Truist Bank is a leading financial institution that offers a comprehensive suite of banking and financial services to individuals, businesses, and institutions. With a focus on innovation, personalized solutions, and community engagement, Truist is committed to helping its clients achieve their financial goals and succeed in today's dynamic economic landscape. Now, let's talk about some of its benefits and key features. Truist One Checking is a game-changing checking account that eliminates overdraft fees and overdraft-related fees, allowing you to avoid unexpected charges when you accidentally overspend. With a $100 negative balance buffer, eligible clients receive a safety net for occasional shortfalls, providing peace of mind. The $12 monthly maintenance fee can be easily waived in 5 ways, including making $500 or more in total qualifying direct deposit per statement cycle or having a linked small business checking account. As your balance grows, your account automatically upgrades to higher tiers with enhanced benefits, recognizing your loyalty and rewarding your relationship with Truist. Truist One Savings is a fee-free savings account designed to help you grow your money without unnecessary costs. With no monthly maintenance fee, you can focus on building your savings without worrying about account charges. Additionally, Truist One Savings can provide overdraft protection for your Truist One checking account, helping you avoid overdraft fees when you accidentally overspend. Similar to Truist One Checking, your Truist One Savings account automatically upgrades to higher tiers with enhanced benefits as your balance grows, ensuring that your account keeps pace with your financial success. Truist Enjoy Cash credit cards offer an unbeatable opportunity to earn unlimited cash back on purchases. With two great options to choose from, you can select the card that best fits your spending habits and preferences. Enjoy the added benefits of Visa Traditional or Signature benefits, providing valuable perks and protection for cardholders. Whether you're making everyday purchases or treating yourself to something special, Truist Enjoy Cash credit cards make it easy to earn cash back on every transaction. Truist Home Equity Line of Credit is a flexible and affordable way to access the equity in your home. Whether you're planning a home renovation, consolidating debt, or funding other financial needs, a Truist HELOC provides a reliable source of funds. With competitive interest rates and the option to make interest-only payments during the draw period, a Truist HELOC keeps your monthly costs manageable. Unlock the value of your home and take control of your financial future with a Truist HELOC. Truist Automated Investing offers a convenient and cost-effective way to invest in your future. With professionally managed portfolios tailored to your risk tolerance and financial goals, you can enjoy the benefits of expert investment management without the high fees. Truist Automated Investing keeps costs low compared to traditional investment services, allowing you to keep more of your returns. Your portfolio is automatically rebalanced to maintain your target asset allocation, ensuring that your investments stay aligned with your risk portfolio. Now, let's talk about some potential drawbacks. One drawback is that not all clients may be eligible for enhanced benefits such as the enhanced loyalty bonus, even with a Truist One checking account. This limitation could lead to some clients missing out on additional rewards and perks, potentially affecting their overall banking experience and satisfaction. Another drawback is the requirement for a minimum opening deposit, such as the $50 minimum for the Truist One money market account. This initial deposit may pose a barrier for individuals with limited funds looking to open a savings account, potentially limiting access to certain banking products for some customers. The presence of monthly maintenance fees, even if they are waivable through various criteria like making qualifying direct deposits or having specific link accounts, can still be a drawback for some clients. These fees, if not waived, could add to the overall cost of banking with Truist, impacting the affordability and attractiveness of their banking services with certain individuals. Truist Bank offers a range of financial services designed to meet your needs with care and expertise. With a focus on security, rewards, and personalized solutions, Truist is committed to helping you achieve your financial goals and build a better future. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.